you know, let's face it, most people here are pretty upset and pretty sad for because of the election. Conflicts with many of our values.
Our values are strong. We will fight to protect them, and we will use the great strength and resources and reach we have to continue to advance really important values.
There's actually a lot of historical precedent for boredom being a huge factor in vote choice, and actually in building extremism. In fact, we've had a lot of work on Jigsaw on extremism that shows high correlation to simple boredom.